G'day, Brian Johnson. Once again, just talking about drawdown and control, continuing on from the video I did this morning. I was out most of the day, so I haven't had a great deal of time, but I wanted to introduce you to some principles of trying to get down to a drawdown of 1.25, which means we've got to get down to 500. So how do we do this? We do this by two methods. One, we're using the balance. And as you can see, we're using the Australian US dollar rather heavily here. The reason is on the Australian dollar, it's sort of hit the bottom and it's on the close price. It's an interesting bearing currency, and we took a couple of trades in it to use the rollover, which I'll go into deeper depth, of using the rollover interest on buy currencies that pay high interest and the period of the Monday till Thursday. But I just brought your attention to, even though this is out of balance and it's trend bias, you can see that the current the change of trend has gone over from the sell to the buy. You're looking at the bottom major ones. So at the moment we've switched our trend and added currencies on in buy currencies, which were by the way these currencies here, and we took some profits. So you can analyze the profits just going back to from the 21st, which we did the other day, the 22nd. We haven't taken much profit, but we've increased our drawdown, our equity, and our drawdown margin is less than our sales. The sales are 722 against 629. Still a high equity for that, but we want to run that, and we can utilize the Australian dollar now to take some sales later on and let it go. So it's a period of controlling drawdown is done by practice, 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 practice. One can't be proficient at the practice. You can see the buys against the sells, 0.91 to 0.81. We're in more buy mode. And why is that so? Because of the Australian dollar is adding to this too, and the Great British Pound. You can see a couple of trades here, Great British Pound and Australian dollars. Some little trades here we did just early. So it's just giving you an idea. The idea I've introduced you to using some buy currencies of the Australian dollar and the US dollar and changing the trend bias a little bit. Once you draw down and just sit there, wait, wait, wait. The best thing to do is always wait until you've got at least 10 pips as a profit before you take any profit. As I said, you've got to cover your cost of sales, and the cost of sales in this case is 10 pips. So, we like to get a bit more than 10 pips, don't we? Okay, that's just a quick one. Bye for now from Brian. I'll keep you up to date as we go on. Our target now is before rollover is to reduce this down to about a 2 factor. But 1.25 is quite satisfactory. We need stock. If you don't have stock on your shelves, this is the drawdown in stock on your shelves that has been paid through the sales. Yeah. So this is really your stock. Okay, a different way of thinking business. God bless from Brian.